Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm filming with two cameras right now. So if I'm looking like this and looking like this, ignore it. It means I'm looking at either one camera or the other one. So yeah, let's get that out of the way. So yesterday was my birthday. Hi, happy belated birthday to me. Thank you all who took out time to wish me a happy birthday. I really do appreciate all of that. Like I said, I'm looking like this because I'm filming for YouTube and I'm filming for TikTok also. I'm filming horizontal and vertical, so yeah, I'm going to try and figure out my angles better. But yeah, yesterday was my birthday. I turned a year older. As always, I appreciate every kind gesture shown to me. Basically all of your messages, your wonderful wishes, celebrating me. It's really amazing. I'm always so giddy these days when it comes to my birthday because I did spend a lot of years not really caring about my birthday. Now I can't really say, oh, I care so much about my birthday, but I always like, marking it in a way. So yeah, that's what I've been doing for the last couple of years. So thank you for your amazing birthday wishes and all of the love shown my way. So yeah, today I'm coming to you properly dressed. I'm not looking rough. I'm like, let me try and be put together for my people. Anywho, it's time to unbox what we got for birthday. So as a customary, if you've been on my channel, if you're on my YouTube, you know this is our tradition already. Every birthday we got to get something, and for this year we got the DJI OSMO POCKET 3 creators combo. I did get this in Ghana. I wanted to get this last year before I got the one I'm actually filming on right now for YouTube, right? But it was a bit of a situation deciding what was more durable and more suitable for the kind of content that I create. So I decided to go with the action camera instead. So now that I have the action camera that's working so fine, and I loved every minute I've been using recording with this action camera, has been one of the best things that has ever. It's literally one of the best cameras I have ever recorded on or filmed with, basically. So I really loved it. So it was time to get something that I really wanted just because I wanted it, and the price has dropped significantly in Ghana, which was surprising because I started last year when I was getting that. This was about 14,000-15,000. Now it's even less than 9,000. I was surprised. So I got the OSMO POCKET 3 creators combo, and with this they gave me a memory card and this little patch. I use Olanze tripod actually. They're a very good brand, but I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but anyway, that's that. So they did offer to give me a 128 gig memory card, but then I opted for 256 and I just paid the difference of 200 cedis. So I got this, and now it's time for this. Now this is like the camera of the moment. It's like the kids gear camera. It's every content creator's dream. So I'm going to say I finally got my dream camera. Without talking that much, let's go unbox our camera. I'm really excited. I don't know if I should just stare it like this and just show you, but let me try and pretend as if I'm still like a good content creator. Enjoy the ride.
If I'm being honest, I didn't mean to fall in love with you, with you, with you, with you. Just kinda happened, don't really know when. Just know that it's with you, with you, with you, with you. Now it's making me nervous, 'cause I'm thinking you noticed. Let me know if you change your mind.
everything it came with. The box also, carrying case, the camera itself, the handle. I think this is a battery handle, this is a normal handle, a tripod, a Type-C charger, the case, the DJI mic, the wind cover for the microphone, wide angle lens. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to figure it out. So this is everything I came with. This is my fourth camera, but this is actually my fourth DJI product I bought also, and second DJI camera. So currently I'm recording for YouTube with my DJI Osmo Action 4, while I'm recording the short form content with my iPhone and my DJI mobile gimbal. Alright, so I have two of the DJI mobile gimbal and I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 action camera. And then I have this, that is 4 DJI products that I have and 4 cameras in total. I have the CANON, that was my first ever camera that I bought, CANON, and then I have Nikon. Nikon was my first ever camera actually, but I was gifted. The CANON I did get for myself, and then this camera, and then this. So this is my fourth camera. Now this is everything that is in this box. Obviously the box, it comes with the carrying case, it comes with the camera itself, it comes with the battery handle. I think it's just to give it an extra battery. It comes with the tripod, it comes with another handle, it comes with the DJI microphone. Now I almost got the regular combo for this because I already have a very good microphone set, the Holy Land mic. Like, it pairs very well with all of my cameras, it pairs amazingly with my phone. Like, it's very easy. I just take it on the go and I can just put fancy stickers on it like this, and you won't even know I'm wearing a microphone while I'm wearing a microphone. The audio is amazing. Right now I'm using it for just the camera, and I'm using my regular phone mic for the audio of the phone because I can't pair it both ways. So I think the mic that comes with this is going to be handy for me now for a situation where I'm recording with 2 cameras. But now I'm going to be recording with this and the Action 4 together. My phone has been relegated. My other Canon is just for photos now. So for creating content, it's going to be both. Yeah. So this is what it comes with. It comes with the carton, obviously. It comes with a carrying case for the camera. This is a carrying case. It comes with the camera itself. It comes with I think this is a protective cover for the camera. It comes with 2 handles. This is a battery handle and the regular handle. It comes with the DJI microphone. It comes with a mini tripod also, and then it comes with the wide angle lens. It comes with the wind cover for the microphone and the hand, that stuff you can wear on your hand. It comes with the Type-C charger, and it comes with this. I don't know what this is yet. I'm going to figure it out. I think it's a magnet for the microphone in case you want to pin it the way I am pinning this microphone right now. I think this is what you use. I actually got the creators combo, right, for this wide angle lens alone. I almost got the regular combo because, like I said, I have a good microphone that I use for creating content already, so there was no need getting the creators combo just for the microphone, right? But I realized the other one, they come with a wide angle lens, and a wide angle lens is one of the best accessories you can get if you are creating vlogs. Now this camera, I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to really enjoy using this camera a lot. That is everything it comes with, just in case you were wondering. Now let's finally on our camera. It's really small, like it can just fit the palm of my hand. Like I'm going to have a lot of fun using this. While recording with my action camera is really very, you don't really need to do more, just press and you're recording. I feel like it's going to be fun figuring this out. So yeah, let's see, how do I do this? Ouch. So I'm going to go set this on off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you the quality. So that is it. That is it for our unboxing. And this is a gimbal camera, so I'm going to have to be very careful with it, because usually I am not so careful when I'm recording, because I use an action camera. So I just, this camera has, the amount of times this thing has failed, like I have a crack on the screen, on the this thing behind it, you won't know. My phone also, I'm just really happy that my phone is very strong and durable. So this I have to be very careful. I'm conversant with gimbal already, so I think I'm going to be able to figure that out. So thank you. If there's anything else you want to know, I cannot wait to get started using this camera. Like I'm going to figure everything out. I'm going to watch YouTube, figure them out. I think this microphone is actually very huge, so I'm not going to be using this much. I think I'm going to be using this. I'm going to be using this only when I'm recording with two cameras. So yeah, I'm going to figure it out, and we're going to have a lot of fun. See, last year I did not create content as much as I would love to have created. So now one thing with me is, when I'm in a bit of a funk when it comes to creating content, I need something new to amp me up to start creating again. So I'm going to have a lot of fun creating with this. So I expect new vlogs from your girl. Thank you for the birthday wishes. This year is going to be an amazing year. It's going to be one of our best year yet. I can feel it, and I know God is in control, because put God first and everything basically follows. So yeah, thank you all for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys. Now this did not take much time to set up at all, probably because I'm already used to DJI product. But this is the camera quality just off of the box. Like I didn't touch anything, I just activated the camera, turned the microphone on, and it connected. There is no wide angle lens, this is the regular lens. I have it connected to my phone, so I'm using my phone as kind of a monitor, because I do connect this camera up to my phone also. And this is my Action 4 camera that I was recording with earlier. This is off now, but this is one of the most amazing camera, that's by the way. So yeah, this is the quality of the camera off of the box. I think the angle is, I had to zoom this in a bit. The angle is quite wide, so I'm going to create like a new video where I'm going to just place this on charge for a bit. But one thing with me is, when I get a new device, I like to fully charge them before I start using them. That's how you get and it will by the way, that's how you get optimal use of your devices. So I'm going to charge it, and probably I'm going to create a new video entirely using this. We're going to take this out to turn, vlog, do a lot of videos, but this is the quality of the, and I'm recording 1080p, not even 4K. So like I said, I'm going to twist it, and you're going to see all of the amazing things this camera can do. So for now, bye. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for hanging.